Treasures and M Treasures, and we are about to go lobster treasure hunting because we're really hungry, right? How many do you think we're gonna get, Em? This is a serious guess right here.
Wow.
12 lobsters, she says. We're very hungry. We want to give some to our family. Let's see what we can find. We're cruising. It's a little foggy right now. Let's see if we can find our first shop. She's got it. She's got it.
Oh, this is a bad road.
Look at that muscle. Look at her work that magic. I better get my gloves on. We're really hungry, so look at that trap. Look how big that trap is. Good job. Let's see what we got.
Nothing. Oh, we got a lobster.
We have a lobster.
He's pissed.
We have a lobster treasure. This is in the heavier traps too.
Yeah, it's a heavy trap.
Good job, Em. Let's see what we got here. First, we check to see if there's any eggs in there. There's not. This one's a live one. Then you look at the tails to see if they've been clipped. Now, Em's gonna measure this up, see if it's a legal size, and if so, we're gonna band it up. That's illegal. We hit it. There's lobster number one. We're gonna bait up and check the next trap. M Treasures has got number two. Deadliest Catch has nothing on her. Look at those moves. Hand pulling, no winch. Old school right here. Oh, here it comes. And she's so popular. Phone goes up.
No.
We got some big crabs.
Damn it.
You got it. These are all.
That guy looks angry.
If we take these crabs out, unless we're gonna eat them.
You got this trap?
Yeah. Pull them out. The green ones you're supposed to actually get rid of, but we have a hard time doing that because we don't like to kill anything. But they're an invasive species. Trap number 3. We're looking for some big lobster treasure here. We've got Master M Treasures on the pulling. And she's got it. Look at her work that trap. Switch out some traps. Look at see, she's even doing some knee action here to pull this thing up. We're really hungry tonight, but we have to give Daddy Treasures some lobster. There you go, you're killing it. I can see it. You can see it coming up right there. Let's see. Good job, Em. This is one of the heavy ones.
Oh, we got a lobster.
Oh, there's a lobster in there.
No, it's not gonna make it.
That one looks a little small, but we're gonna measure it. We got some crabs. You don't want to have crabs.
I'll get the pool.
All right.
You got it?
It could make it actually. Take a look. Get these crabs out of here. These are the invasive species ones, the green ones. They're actually good eating. This, I actually think they would. I'd eat this. I kind of want to. Second. I think that can come out.
Just move it right.
There we go. Let's take a look. That is just a teeny bit shy by a 1/4 inch. So we're gonna let this guy go.
Let me let him go.
We're gonna let it, she's gonna let it grow. M Treasure's gonna let that one go. It's just a teeny bit too small. But we do have this guy. And we could eat him.
Nah, forget it.
Okay. Here's your measuring thing. Number 4 here. We got one lobster. We had two, but one of them, unfortunately, was not a keeper. Yeah. Pop that on there. This is number 4. Let's see what we got here. Lucky number 4. I'm trying to just pulling this up in like 3 seconds. Alright, let's see what we got here. This is on the old heavy traps. Holy smokes!
Yay!
Look at that.
Yay.
We'll call this Lobster Treasure. This is Lobster Treasure, folks. Look at that. You see 1, 2, 3. We gotta measure them and check to see if they're females. Whew. Special famous lobsterman Josh Kimball sold us some traps for a little lighter because we're getting a little old, or I'm getting old. Treasures is staying young. This is true. So here's the first one. Okay. So there's no eggs. And you want to look at the tail to see if there's a notch. There's no notch. So now we're going to measure it. Let's take a look here and see. So you got the big side if you're doing a really big lobster. You go right to the eye socket back and that back end. But if you turn it the other way, you got to be in between that, and that's a keeper. So there's one more. Let's take a look at the next one. This one.
It's kind of orange.
Yeah, it is kind of orange.
Maybe
We see no eggs.
Maybe we have a rare species.
I don't think it's a rare species, but I think it's a very vibrant lobster. That lobster just wants to. I think it wants to hurt us. So let's take a measurement here. But this one I know is a keeper. Yeah. You go right back to here. So in the eye of the socket there, you're not hurting their eyes, but you measure it now. If it was like this, then it would be no good.
It looks so defeated. Look at the little defeated.
So this would be number.
What was that? Oh.
That was a crab getting out, I think. So this is number 3. We got one in the other trap that was a keeper, one that was not.
The thing. I don't have my gloves on, so you put it in now.
All right, I'm gonna put this in here. And then we got one more. This one could be too small, but we're gonna check it out and see. If it's too small, you want to let them go because it takes a while for them to grow, and you want to keep the lobster population going. It's a keeper. That is a keeper.
Throw it in the bucket.
Just made it. We now have 4 lobsters. We got 3 in one trap right here. We are going for our next trap here. I think we have 4 or 5 lobsters. Treasures is back on the traps. Let's see what we've got. Big lobster treasure M. More and we can go have a lobster dinner.
There's no resistance on this. Well, no, there is.
Tricked you.
Did.
Ooh, it's coming up. Let's see what we've got. Oh, there's some lobsters in there. Holy smokes. Look at this. This is a record. I told you she was lucky. Holy camole. Look at that. Look at it. You just look at it.
2, 3.
Holy
4,
smokes,
5, 6.
I honestly just can't believe it. Will you look at this? All right. You're in charge now. Holy smokes. Let's see what we've got. Well, there's one huge one in there too. Look at this guy. Look at how big this one is. Look at that.
Wow.
That's a monster one. Let's see if it's a female. So we want to check the bottoms. I'm going to check his tail. It's not clipped. Holy smokes, that's a big one. Now let's measure it here. This one's so big that we might have to
Use the other side.
use the other side because Treasures just killed it. We know it beats that. So now we're just going to try it from this angle. And it's okay. It's okay. That is a monster lobster. Ooh. And it wants to go home.
Bobby, go home.
Bobby, go home. Look how big that one is. Then she's got this one right here.
Oh, that one might not be a keeper.
Let's see. That one was so big that it might be deceiving.
It's a keeper.
That's a keeper. Made it by a hair. Where's Crab Rock? We're okay. Yep. And then we've got, that's
Ooh,
two.
that looks weird. Look, it might be molting. See it?
That's mud, I think.
It is?
Yeah. So this is number 3 out of M's trap. Another keeper.
Oh, that is mud, huh?
Yeah, we're double checking here. We'll double check the other one too, but you gotta check the tails to see if it was notched and look for eggs. So let's just double check that other one real quick. Yeah. That one's fine too. That's 3 that she pulled up. You ready for this? I can't believe her. Ooh, that one doesn't want to come out yet. Let's try this one. Is this number 4 out of here?
Yeah.
Number 4 out of M Treasures trap. Number 4. Another keeper. Check the bottom. No eggs. Check the tail. No notches. That's 4 that she just pulled up. I can't believe this. And then this one's crazy. Holy smokes.
Oh, he's gonna be mean to put the things on.
That's gonna be a mean one. Let's measure this one up, Em. Another keeper. No notches, no eggs. How many is that?
That's 5.
5 from this trap?
Yeah.
5. Let's grab this one. We'll just check it real quick here. There's no eggs, no notches. Now if it had eggs, we would actually notch the tail. And that is another keeper. Mm-hmm. So that's 6. And then we have this guy. I think we like our little spot here. We'll just give it a little check. No eggs. Check the tail. Looking good. Give it a little measurement. Oh, I know this one's big enough. Oh yeah. Another keeper. She just hit 7. She hit 7 lobsters in one trap. 7 lobsters. That would have been great if we got 7 lobsters in all of our traps. That's unbelievable. Good job, Em.
You got it?
I wanted to show you what M Treasures pulled out. These are just packed full of lobsters. It's going to be a great lobster bake tonight. Good job, Em.